Imagine your big presentation and the Wi-Fi goes down. With Canva's new offline presenting mode, that's no longer a problem. Full animations, transitions, and videos all without internet. Stay prepared, stay confident, and let's see how it works. And we're back again to our marketing proposal presentation by brand locally. So if you haven't watched the previous video about marketing proposal, like adding the videos, click the link down below. I use this presentation as well. Now, we're going to discuss about the offline presentation. We have right here 10 slides. So this one is from Canva itself. I got this on right here. Let me open it up and design. And here you go. Recently used is this one. Now, what we currently have right now is the marketing proposal. And usually what we do is we share this and download this one. And it's either PDF or MP4 video. And what we usually do is PowerPoint document. Now, we have another trick that Canva can do. It's called offline presenting. So, let's take an example. Let's go back home right here. And let's try to turn off our Wi-Fi connection. As you can see, there's no contents right here. Offline presentation, zero contents. And it says here, the next time you're connected to Wi-Fi, enable your presentation for offline presenting. This way, you can present them anytime and anywhere, even without an internet connection. Now, what we're going to do, our presentation that I showed before, we're gonna do it as an offline presentation. Now, we open up our Wi-Fi. Let's go back again. And we're back online. Now, this is our presentation. Presentation by brand locally. You click the three dots right here and enable offline presenting. Offline sync and design enabled for offline presenting. Now, let's try again. Let's try to turn off our Wi-Fi. And there you go. We have the present online right here. And just click it. And just next, next, and next. And that's it. We already have our offline presentation by Canva. And that's it for today. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on my next videos. Bye-bye.